Hello, my name is Brett Womack, and this is my Google Assignments video log. The first question was, what were your thoughts about going through Units 3 and 4 from the Google Fundamental Training? Describe what you learned. Are the Google Educator certifications something you would consider completing in the future? Do you think the certification would make you a more marketable future job applicant? So I've only used Google in the past and now only for web searches or anything like that. When I was going through the training, I knew that you could create folders, but I didn't know you could create worksheets, PowerPoints, quizzes, and all of that. I knew that you could do a folder, but I didn't know how to do it until I went through the training. However, when I got into the trainings, I learned how to create the folders and then save that to the cloud, which was pretty interesting. I also learned and played around with creating a worksheet and a quiz, just so that I would maybe be able to do that in the future. And I thought learning how to do that was really cool. It took me no time at all to just jump in, and it gives you different layouts for the quizzes, for the worksheets, and you just got to put it in there. And as you're doing the worksheet or the quizzes, it automatically saves it to the cloud as I'm going. I don't know if I would use it very much since I don't know much about it, or if it's safe having all that stuff out on the internet, or if somebody can get to it. I don't know how all that works. I looked around at the certifications for Google, and I don't think I would ever consider getting that for myself. I plan on teaching physical education, and so I wouldn't ever need those certifications for that job. I think if you were going to be a computer teacher, you were going to teach a keyboarding class or a college class like this one, for example. I think that having those certifications would help you become a better teacher and to teach your students how to do those things on the web. I think it would make you a very extremely like a good candidate for a job with those certifications when you're going into that field. Next question, describe your experience working with Google Slides, spreadsheet, and or presentation document. What are the advantages and disadvantages of Google Apps as compared to Word, Excel, or PowerPoint? So I've always used Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. I am very familiar with those, and I've always fallen back onto those, and trying something new isn't something I do all the time. Google Docs, I found it to be almost the same as Microsoft Word. There was an option called add-ons that allows you to add things to your document that Microsoft Word doesn't, and I was playing around with that, and you click on that and you could go to whatever you wanted, download it for free, and it's right there at your fingertips. You don't have to search the web like you do with Word, download it, save it to your computer, and then put it into your document. It's just right there in the Google Docs. Word also has just clip art options, and so the Google Docs had so many more options that I found pretty interesting. Google Slide is, again, like PowerPoint, but allows you to have different layout options, which I thought was really cool. PowerPoint and Microsoft gives you one layout, and you just kind of have to use that and create it how you want. One of the ones I thought was cool was the note card option, and you could do, or a flashcard option as well, that you create your flashcards and your students can see that. But I think I would use the Google Docs and the Google Slides over the Word, Excel, and PowerPoint that I've been used to from now on. I thought those were pretty cool and easy to learn. So this is my technology recording. Hope you enjoyed it. Have a good night.